This is an exercise that you do with my actors all the time, and it's around status, and it's around how you hold yourself to make yourself feel confident. So I say to the acting trainees, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 is the most confident you can feel and 1 is the least confident you can feel. So let's go through 1 to 10 and we kind of name either characters or professions or whatever, some that are really we feel where people are more confident and where we feel people are less confident. And then I call out numbers and people walk around the space inhabiting that number. So if I call out a number 8, then you can see from walking just like themselves that suddenly that their shoulders go back, that their head goes up. And obviously that exaggerates as you get further up the scale. So once you get to a 10, then yes, the shoulders are back, the chest is out, the head is up, and the nose is kind of, leading. And quite often I'll say to people, what is your status? How do you feel? Do you feel like you're a 1 where you're quite your shoulders are rounded in, you feel like you've got no self-esteem, you're very low on confidence. And you'll find that people walk slower. If I call out a 2 or a 1, then their pace slows down, their energy drops, their shoulders roll in, their head comes down, they look at the floor. So just on that scale of 1 to 10, how you hold yourself and how you enter a room is up to you. So just know that actually, if you want to be confident, if you want to feel confident, then use those superpower poses. And if you watch Amy Cuddy's TED talk, she talks about it literally only takes 2 minutes of posing like that. And I would recommend maybe doing that in the loo before you go in anywhere, not in public, because it does look a bit strange. So it's not fake it till you make it, but it's be it until you become it.